Hello students, this is your English language class and today we are going to learn chapter 10 articles a, an and the. So let's start. A, an and the are called articles. They are actually adjectives. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used when we do not speak or any particular person or thing. Like this is definite article. It is used when we speak of someone, particular person or thing. Like I want a car. It means any car you want. I want the car means some particular car. So there is a difference in the both sentences. I want a car means any car you can want, and I want the car means some particular car you want to get. Okay, so now we are going to learn the use of indefinite articles. Okay, indefinite articles are a or an, and definite article the. Yes. So use of indefinite articles. We use a before words beginning with a consonant sound. Like examples we have a bicycle, a boy, a pen, a woman, a cup, a rabbit. So we use an before words beginning with a vowel sound. So here we have done that. We use a before words beginning with a consonant sound, and we use an before words beginning with a vowel sound, like an umbrella, an egg, an ant, an old man, an elephant, an ice cream. Okay, so it is very easy. When any word we use an before words beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, so is there any word which is sounding a vowel sound? Simply we add an, and in a consonant sound we use a. Yes. Okay, now next one. The indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. Countable means we are able to count anything, like a dog, a desk, an orange, an umbrella. Okay, so the indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. Okay, the indefinite articles a is also used when we refer to one. Examples: 12 inches make a foot. Rice sells at rupees 40 a kilo. Okay, so the indefinite article a is also used when we refer to one. We have examples also: 12 inches make a foot, and rice sells at rupees 40 a kilo. So in indefinite article a, okay, use of the definite articles the definite article the is used before the names of rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, before the names of the oceans and seas, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Black Sea, before the names of the mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, before the name of historical monuments, the Jama Masjid, the Red Fort, before the name of holy books, the Vedas, the Bible, the Quran, before the name which are the names of the unique things or only one of their kind, like the sun, the earth, the moon. Okay, so these all are the natural things. Before the names of the hotels, yes, the Taj Hotel, the Park Hotel. Okay, so these all are the hotel. So the definite article the is used in all the rivers, ocean and sea, mountain ranges, historical monument, holy books. Okay, any kind of natural things which is made by natural nature. Okay, before the names of hotels. Yeah, so on the base of conclusion we can say that the words a and the are known as articles. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not speak or any particular person or thing. The is called a definite article because it points out at some particular person or thing. Okay, so it is very important chapter. You have to learn this one. Articles a and the, because in many sentences we use a and the. Okay students, thank you.